Welcome back to Aspen Mansions. Today, we're stepping inside a timeless Queen Anne Victorian home right here in Washington, Pennsylvania. Let's talk about charm first. Original woodwork, decorative fireplaces, and room sizes that will leave you speechless. The main residence gives you 3 spacious bedrooms, plus a billiard room, a library, an upper-level family room, and a stunning kitchen. But wait until you see the dining room, complete with built-ins and intricate inlaid hardwood flooring. Absolutely breathtaking. Now, upstairs on the third floor, you'll find a full 3-bedroom apartment, perfect for extended family, guests, or even rental income. Step outside and you've got that classic wraparound porch wrapping the corner lot, pure curb appeal. And the backyard? Space for outdoor living and relaxation. Inside again, high ceilings and tons of natural light flow right into a bright walkout basement, opening up endless possibilities. And here's the kicker. This home sits in the historic district, close to W&J College, shopping, and major highways. That means you get both timeless character and modern convenience in one incredible package. Meticulously maintained through the years, this home is a true showcase of pride and ownership. So, what do you think? Would you call this Victorian masterpiece home? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Aspen Mansions for more historic and luxury property tours across the US.